Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications on your HAFURY Note 10, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now go for the apps and notifications. Here we have to scroll down and tap on the notifications. And right now we are able to change notifications on the lock screen, for example. And I'm going to show notifications on my lock screen. And when we scroll down, we can also enter for all apps that we have on our smartphone. We can change for the most frequent. As you can see, the most notifications we get from the Gmail and the Play Store, and by tapping on the switcher we can permanently turn them off. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.